My name is Hector Rivera. I live in Webster, Massachusetts, and I'm a Nextbase customer. I was driving home with my wife, and suddenly a car crossed the center line, and we have a head-on collision. I installed the Nextbase camera, the 622, for security reasons. I wanted to record the animals on the road when I go on vacation in different states or whatever. Was my main reason: safety and for pleasure. I provide the footage of the camera to the police and the insurance company. I believe strongly that helped process the insurance faster. After the accident, I started to believe this camera needs to be a standard in any car because it's your witness for anything that may happen to you. I recommend anyone get this camera, and I'm very happy with my choice.